we have some exercises to answer it together. Please open your sheet at page number 4. Number 1. Choose the correct answer. The measuring tool that's used to measure the volume of liquid is X-length graduated cylinder. Number 2. Space is used to measure the mass of solids. Okay, I can use balance to measure the mass of solids. Excellent. Number 3. Volume of a solid material is measured by excellent cubic centimeter. The answer will be number C. Number 3. The distance between cities are measured in kilometer. Excellent. Number 4. The volume of space can be measured by graduated tape only. Graduated tape only. Excellent. Liquids. I can use graduated tape. Now we have some exercises to answer it together. Please open your sheet at page number 4 and concentrate with me. Number 1. The measuring tool that's used to measure the volume of liquids is space. Excellent is graduated cylinder. Number 2. Space is used to measure the mass of solids. The mass of solids I can use balance. Excellent. Number 3. The volume of solid material is measured by cubic centimeter. Excellent. Number 3. The distance between cities are measured in kilometer. Number 4. The volume of space can be measured by the graduated tape only. Graduated tape only. Excellent. I can use graduated tape to measure the volume of solids. Number 5. The space occupied by an object is called volume. Excellent. Number 6. Common balance is used to measure space of an object. Okay, common balance is used to measure mass of an object. Number 7. Space is the measuring unit of small masses. Small masses. Gram. The answer will be number B. Number 8. Graduated cylinder is used to measure the space of an object. The space of an object. Graduated cylinder. Excellent. I can use graduated cylinder to measure the volume of object. Okay. Number 2. Complete the following sentences. Number 1. Measuring tool of the small masses is excellent sensitive balance, while space is the tool we use to measure the large lengths. Okay, I can use graduated tape to measure the large lengths. Number 2. The matter has space and space. Any matter has mass and volume. Number 3. Kilogram is the unit of measuring space. Kilogram is the unit of measuring mass. Number 4. Graduated cylinder is used to measure the space of liquids. Graduated cylinder is used to measure the volume of liquids. Number 5. Common balance is used to measure space. Common balance is used to measure the mass, while space is used to measure small lengths, while ruler is used to measure small lengths. Number 6. The measuring units of lengths are space and space. The measuring units of lengths are meter and centimeter and kilometer. Okay. Number 7. The measuring unit of small masses is space. The measuring unit of small masses is gram. Number 8. Space is the tool that's used to estimate the volume of an irregular piece of rock. Graduated cylinder is used to measure the volume of an irregular piece of rock. Number 9. 1 liter equal space milliliter. 1 liter equal 1000 milliliter. Number 10. To measure the mass of your golden ring, you can use space. To measure the mass of your golden ring, you can use the sensitive balance. Okay. Number 3. Give reason for the following sentences. Number 1. You are matter. We had said that everything around us that has mass and volume is called matter. So you are matter because you have mass and volume. Number 2. Your book has a volume. We had said that volume is the space occupied by an object. So the book has volume because the book occupies a space, so it has volume. Number 4. Write the scientific term. Number 1. It's everything that has mass and volume. Excellent. Matter. Number 2. It's the amount of matter. Mass. Mass is the amount of matter. Number 3. The measuring unit of small lengths. The measuring unit of small lengths is centimeter. Number 4. A tool that's used to measure the volume of liquid. A tool that's used to measure the volume of liquid is graduated cylinder. Number 5. The measuring unit of large masses. The measuring unit of large masses is kilogram. Number 6. The space that's occupied by an object. The space that's occupied by an object is volume. Number 7. Anything that occupies a space and has a mass is called matter. Number 8. The tool that's used to measure the volume of milk. Milk is a liquid, so I can use graduated cylinder. Number 9. The measuring tool that's used to measure small masses. Small masses, I can use sensitive balance. Number 10. The unit that's used to measure the length of your pen. Your pen is a small object, so I can use ruler to measure the length of the pen. Number 11. The tool which is used to measure the mass of the chemical substances. Chemical substances, small things, so I can use sensitive balance to measure the mass of chemical substances. Number 12. Length times width times height. Excellent. It will equal volume. Number 13. The tool that's used to measure the mass of fruits. The tool that's used to measure the mass of fruits is common balance. Number 14. A tool that's used to measure the volume of a book. A tool that's used to measure the volume of a book is ruler. Excellent. Number 15. The measuring unit of volume of liquids. Measuring unit of volume of liquids is liter. Okay. Number 6. Put true or false. Number 1. Volume is the amount of matter. False, because mass is the amount of matter. Number 2. Salt has a volume. True, because salt is a matter. Number 3. Graduated ruler is used to measure, or is the measuring unit of small lenses. False, because graduated ruler is the measuring tool of small lenses. Number 4. 1 kilogram equal 100 gram. False, because 1 kilogram equal 1000 gram. Number 5. Gram is the measuring unit of small lenses. False, because gram is the measuring unit of small masses. Number 6. The cubic meter and the cubic centimeter are used for estimating the volume of solid. True. Number 7. Common balance is a measuring tool of large masses. True. Okay. Number 8. Correct the underlined words. Number 1. Graduated cylinder is used to measure lengths. No, graduated cylinder is used to measure volumes. Number 2. Graduated tape is used to measure the mass of a golden ring. False. Sensitive balance is used to measure the mass of a golden ring. Number 3. Volume is the amount of matter. False. Mass is the amount of matter. Number 4. Now, let's answer the problems. Number 1. Calculate the volume of the ball. Okay. Look at the picture. You can see two graduated cylinders. The graduated cylinder number 1 is contain the water only, but the graduated cylinder number 2 is contain the water and the ball. Now let's calculate the volume of the ball. You can see that the level of water is raises into 10, but after you put a ball, it will raise into 15. So the volume of the ball will be V2 minus V1. V2 is the volume of the ball and the water together. V1 is the volume of the water only. So the volume of the ball will be V2 minus V1. So 15 minus 10, it will equal 5 milliliter. Okay. Number 2. Find the volume of your pencil case if you know that its length equal 10 centimeters, its width equal 5 centimeters, and its height equal 2 centimeters. Excellent. We will use the law that volume equal length times width or width times height. So the volume will be 10 times 5 times 2. It will equal 100 cubic centimeter.